lake. I'm not going straight home. I'm going to the lake. So we'll go there later. Let's wait till I have the chance to go left. Okay, we're entering towards the lake. We'll relax for a while. It's early morning and I want to be stress-free. To stay by the lake. It's so calming and peaceful here. You see? Don't be alone. Stress-free if I'll stay here for a while. Okay, here we go. And there's the lake over there. Okay. Just gonna watch the water from the lake. Just wanna go and find a few minutes of peace. Wow, it's so nice over here. There you go. Let's go towards the lake. Oh, it's so calm and refreshing. It's so peaceful. And there's the water from the lake. Okay. They call this place Big Bend Lake here. And these plains. Let's go watch the water. Oh wow, very nice. It's really very nice here. Oh, mayroon pang bird. Birdie, 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 bird. So nice and calm. Hey bird, birdie. Ganda dito no. Nice place. And may plane, airplane. Hello birdie. Oh, you just scared me. Sorry. Nice, 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 nice place. It's a nice place. Wow, it's really nice. But I'm not going over there. You go doon sa malayo. Just right here. Okay. So nice. Oh, what's that? May lumangoy. Ano yung lumangoy? Haha, ano kaya yun? Raccoon? Ano yun? May lumangoy. Let's focus. Ano yung lumangoy? Sa may kahoy? Oh, where is it? What was that? Ala. What was that? There's animal. I don't know what was that. Oh, scary. I'm scared it's an alligator. Oh, crocodile. Oh no. Not going there. Let's go up. Oh Lord. Whew. Oh my God, it's windy, windy. Wow. Yeah, you can sit here. Some people spend weekend here, gathering with friends, bring foods. Then you go there. There's a garbage there because yesterday was Sunday, so more people were spending their weekends here. So you see, there's a lot of things in that garbage. The collector has not come yet. The garbage collector has not come yet. Okay. I'm scared with that. I don't know what animal was that by the water. So I just have to go back to my car. I'm alone here. You see that? It's windy. Windy. But it's so calm and refreshing here. What tree is that? Walking around is nice. I feel good. Woohoo! 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 I'm alone. Okay, it's time to go home. Okay, it's time to go home. We just have to go home. Oh, okay. There's a geese over there, but no, I'm fine. I'm going home now.